We have a variety of programs that they are used at the industries. So we have programs like inventory management, distribution, logistics, freight forwarding.
Standards for transportation. We also learn a lot about communication and being in an intercultural workplace.
The goal of the practicum is to gain more knowledge and develop more skills for their career.
As a student, practicum is very beneficial for us. This is something that will give us work experience in the industry and supply chain.
A lot of support from Langara about how to do the interview and how to prepare for the resume. That's really helpful.
And then you learn about the marketplace in Canada, how to apply for jobs, how to look for jobs, to create cover letters.
So that once we graduate, when we apply, at least we do have a series of experience that we can inform them that we have learned from this program.
The highlights were actually learning from the teacher's experience.
So they're very open to helping us to not only learn, but to also adjust here in Canada.
Langara works with CIFA, and after you finished the 2 courses, you will get the designation from CIFA. Having a CIFA certification will open doors at the logistics industry, supply chain, and freight forwarding.
I would definitely recommend the program. Langara has a very strong course.
If you want to switch careers or to get into the program and be a supply chain professional, this is the program for you.